alphabet song for you and me. A is for apple, red and so sweet. B is for ball, bouncing on feet. C is for cat, purring all day. D is for dog, fetching away. E is for elephant, trunk up high. F is for fish, flip in the sky. G is for goat, climbing with glee. H is for horse, galloping free. I is for ice cream, cool and yummy. J is for jelly, wiggly and funny. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for moon, shining at night. O, A, B, C, twist and turn with me. Letters dancing wild and free. Sing it loud from A to Z. Alphabet fun for you and me. La 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 la, da da da. N is for nest, birds tucked in tight. O is for owl, hooting just right. P is for pig, muddy and pink. Q is for quail, quick as a wink. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. S is for sun, warming the vast. T is for tiger, stripes bold and bright. U is for umbrella, shielding from light. V is for violin, strings that sing. W is for whale, splashing everything. X is for xylophone, tinkling tune. Y is for yak, fuzzy raccoon. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white. O, A, B, C, twist and turn with me. Letters dancing wild and free. Sing it loud from A to Z. Alphabet fun for you and me. Now we've learned our letters with cheer. ABC's forever near. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Alphabet adventure